This is Dontrell Coleman with another video for you guys. Today we will talk about how to get approved for a credit card for up to $30,000. The first thing you should know is that if you want to for sure get a higher credit limit for $30,000, you would already need to have multiple primary credit cards on your credit report. Authorized user trade lines do not work anymore. Banks will only approve you if you have a primary credit card with more than enough credit history established already on your credit report. This means you would need to at least have 2 years and up of positive monthly payments on your credit card. If you want to get approved for a higher limit, you can always buy revolving primary trade lines, which are credit cards that are primaries that have credit history already with a high credit limit. I am going to show you a revolving primary trade line that I purchased that reported a couple of days ago that helped added credit history of 5 years and can help me apply for a credit card using the same bank as the primary trade line. Right here is a $30,000 revolving unsecured credit card, primary trade line I purchased from the website that I will provide below. They reported a Wells Fargo credit card, which is an open account. Once you have this reported to your credit report, go ahead and apply to the same bank that was reported of a credit card. I am going to Wells Fargo credit cards, and I will for sure get approved for at least $30,000 since I have this already reported. The bank will trust me as I already made 5 years of payments for this revolving credit card, even though I did not because this account was furnished and reassigned under my information to make it look like this is my account, which it is in the system and on papers, which is why primary trade lines are a must if you want to build your credit score like mine.